and welcome to another video. Today it's 13th of November and it is very, very windy today. Very windy. And of course, well, the weather has been kind of atrocious. Windy, everything blowing about, of course. Yes, and it's also raining on and off. Anyway, let's get going. Well, let's say, and yeah, the wind has been very, very strong today. Yeah. Sorry about that, got a bit of frog in my throat there. Yeah, it's been very windy today, as you can see. Yeah, leaves blowing about, and yeah, trying to keep control of the trolleys, that kind of thing. I'm coming. No, all fine. I watch some people on this car park because some come shooting straight across and they don't even look. So, what's the weather been like where you are today? Has it been windy like it is today? Of course, for those who live in Blackpool, well, you'll certainly have got the worst of it, of course, with it being by the coast. Yeah, waves coming over the wall. Yeah. I remember the time before they built the new wall in Blackpool. You know, that's going back, how long ago is that now? Over 20 years now, or something like that. Where or less than that, I don't know. And how the waves used to come over and just literally flood the prom back in those days. Yeah. Well, look at all that rubbish over there. Jeez. All that rubbish that's just blown about. You can see it. Maybe you can see it on the video there. There's all that rubbish. What's been going on? It's like a pigsty. It's like yeah. Whereas the wind has really took hold of these banners, isn't it? It's just ripped them, literally. I mean, yeah. Here we are going along the bypass now, which is the best way to go along. And of course, you know, over the road, that used to be the old stadium for Leigh Rugby, Helton Park, over there. I remember that one. Of course, I remember when I first worked at this cigar houses store, the ground was old bare land when I was there, old derelict land, and it was only in recent years they started building on it, really. Yeah. Oh, it's flapping about in the wind here. Gosh. Yeah. Yep. I was just watching McMaster's video on his electric car today, his Porsche Taycan, and showing the dashboard how it looks and how cars like that could soon be made illegal. Yeah, I can see why, because there's all these buttons to push and it's taking your attention away from the road. Yeah, I mean, I suppose electric cars may seem practical, but I certainly won't own one, not yet, until something better comes along. Yeah. It is what it is. That's the retail park to the right hand side, which because you see where the crossing is, the Pelican Crossing where KFC stands. That was the site of the old Wesley station for the railway line that used to travel down here a long time ago. Of course, there was all. Well, because in my day, I always remember that being a dirt track with the Pelican leading off the Pelican Crossing. I always remember that very well. Yeah, because it was also on the site of the Parsons Colliery Ground, or Parsons Pit, I used to call it. Yeah. Makes you. Well, no doubt the Pennington Flash will be rough as hell today. Yeah. Not many people on there today. Yeah. Well, it won't be. I mean, strong winds. I got one patient person behind me who's like trying to get past, but sorry, but there's a big truck up in front. I'm not going any further. You gotta watch out for people on the other side of the road trying to get to the front by almost coming the wrong side of the road on this type of road. It is annoying when they do that. Junction always gets me because that's 2 lane, right? And well, presume the lane would be going all the way around. But the thing is that it's a bit of a pinch point, and I've heard it where people have tried to squeeze in and overtake. Yeah. Now, of course, there was a bit of a quite a bad accident today at Kirkconnell Lane. Today. Which involved a van and a car. I think a BMW and a Volkswagen van, I think, where I could see. And well, Kirkconnell Lane Junction near Asda, the bypass there, is always notorious for accidents. Yeah, so it makes you wonder whether that road is cursed or not. Yeah, makes you wonder, doesn't it? Well, there was a train that did get bombed during the war. A train that used to go along this line, presumably what's led to this particular line's closure. Of course, there used to be 2 stations in Lee. What does it say? Well, I do believe we just passed over where the Pennington station was, somewhere around here. Of course, where we are now, there used to be the bridge that would go under the road. Yeah. Because today it's now part of the bypass. There were talks of the bypass being extended up to the M6 from here, but well, doubt that'll ever happen now. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, many years ago, this particular area we're in now was quite notorious for flooding. Although it does still get a bit flooded, but not as bad as it was back in a couple of centuries ago, where it was really bad. And you're practically swimming to work. Get your boat and. Caravans here in the park. Yeah, of course, this Friday I'm actually staying at in Blackpool this weekend for the Christmas by the Sea. Yep, we'll be going watching the event unfold. It starts at 5:30, so hopefully we can get there then. But of course. Oh, that sun is bright, isn't it? It's very bright. Gas me for a cup of tea. I think there were big rows of houses on either side at one time. Of course, this is the Shepherd's Inn, which is actually the last pub in Lee just before you get past the Lowton border. That's right, yeah. So officially, this is actually the last pub in Lee. Because course, here we are. We're about to go into Lowton now. And here we are. We are in Lowton. Yeah. But if you think about it, it's time travel. It's nice. I love that golden sunset. Yeah. Nice golden sunset. You know, one of these days I'll chef line knock off and probably nip into Pennington Flash and take a picture of it. And we'll share it with you on Facebook as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Stevie G would like that too. Pennington Flash. I don't think he's ever been to Pennington Flash. Though I think you should come and take a look. What do you think? Yeah, definitely. But some people would say, oh, I don't want to come to a dump like Lee. Well, Lee is not a dump, okay? It's just had it has seen better days, put it this way, but it's not entirely a dump. Yeah, there's poverty on every street, in every town and city, wherever you go. So it's everywhere. It's not just in one place. Because even Wigan, which is not far from where we are. Even Wigan has its fair share of street life the way it is. I mean, yeah, so it's like everywhere else, really. I mean, even Blackpool does have its problems as well as everyone else. So we're not on our own, really. Anyway, so my Christmas jumper should have arrived today, so I'll probably be wearing that. Probably try it out. As that is a bus through. And I'm glad that these Arriva buses are still operating, because people wanted to get to St Helens would be a bit knackered, really, wouldn't they? Because Andy Byrne wanted to kick off at bus networks out of town and just wanted on the same umbrella. Well, it's good that it is one network, because you know it saves having to get a System 1 ticket, because there's people through. There we go. Right. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to tick the bell for more notifications on future videos. I know it's not the most exciting video today, but I just want to make a video because I'm bored, and I've not made one for a bit, and I thought, well, where is he gone? This is a behind the wheel vlog. That's the why I'm talking about this and that. Meeting Maxine tomorrow, so hopefully I can probably do a morning vlog tomorrow as well. Around Lee, to show you the parts of it, so it looks a bit how Lee is. Anyway, see you next time on another video. Bye.